Hi friends, welcome to Princess Craft with Miss Mary. Today we're making a Jasmine craft. We're making one of her necklaces. Step 1, supplies. You're going to need some colorful foam, scissors, a pencil, a hole punch, some gems, some pretty ribbon, and a glue stick. Step 2, you will take your foam and you're going to trace a necklace shape out of the foam. Then with your parents' help, you would cut it out. Step 3, you're going to take your colorful gems and you're going to glue them on all over your necklace. Step 4, you'll take your hole punch and punch a hole on either side, and then take your ribbon, cut a piece, and weave it through to make the chain for your necklace. And you will have your own Jasmine necklace.